How's it, everybody? Okay, we're back. This is just a quick update video showing the SRC skid plate installed onto the 250 Rally with all the fairings reinstalled as well, and just to show you how perfectly everything fit back together. All right, here we are. You can see the underside of the installation, and like I stated in the previous video, the only thing that you won't reinstall is the plastic skid plate that originally came with it. It seemed okay, but was something that I just didn't really trust, so I wanted to go with something a lot more tough and sturdy. And so when I was doing my research and I came across the SRC option, it looked like the best situation for me, and as you can see, everything matches up perfectly. I'm going to go on the other side and you can see it that side. Here's just the left hand side under view of the skid plate. And like I said, what's kind of cool, what I really like about the skid plate is it actually has these like protruding wings that come out the side, which actually add an extra protection towards your cases. So I like that a lot. And then, like I said, front fairing just reinstalls, no issue at all, and covers everything up. So unless you look really close, you wouldn't even actually realize that you've got this much sturdier, stronger skid plate installed. Here's a view looking inside, and like I said, your existing fairing covers the front up, and then down there you actually get to see the skid plate. Now it attaches to the same attachment points that the original plastic skid plate attached to. So installation on this skid plate is truly a breeze. SRC sends you all the bolts that you need to attach it, and it literally just attaches right into this existing holes that the plastic skid plate attached to. There you can see the two attachment bolts. Coming back to installation on the rear end of the skid plate, all you have to do is you have two engine bolts, one on either side, and all you have to do is release those two bolts. SRC also sends you this attachment bracket in the package with your skid plate and the required bolts, and from there all you do is attach the existing bracket into the engine mount bolts over there on either side, and then you just reattach those bolts, line up your bracket. It's easier on the install to do this side first, and then that way you can have actually support and then adjust it for when you're attaching the bolts to the front end. And that is literally all it requires for installation. Super easy, and as I showed you in the previous video, it also has the cutouts of where your oil drain bolt is, so no need to remove the skid plate in order to do maintenance and oil changes. So great product, very happy with it. Okay, and I'll do a quick walk around, and like I said, dealing with SRC has been fantastic. With all the delays in shipping and distribution these days, it was really impressive that I ordered up that skid plate. I opted for the standard shipping, and literally within 2 days the package had arrived. But like I said, just you can see from a side profile, from a front profile, if you are looking for a tough, good looking skid plate that will arrive quickly once you've ordered it, check out SRC Moto.